Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between PropStream versus Privy Pro. Overview of PropStream is that it is a comprehensive real estate investment platform offering nationwide property data, lead generation tools, and marketing automation. Key feature of PropStream is that it assesses over 150 million property records including MLS data, tax information, and ownership details. It creates custom lists based on filters like equity, ownership duration, and more. Send postcards, emails, and ringless voicemails directly from the platform. Find property owner contact information at $0.12 per record. Estimate renovation cost to determine potential profitability, and features like driving for dollars to find off-market properties on the go. Strength of PropStream is that it offers extensive property information useful for various investment strategies, and integrated marketing features streamline outreach efforts. It is ideal for investors operating in multiple states. Weakness of PropStream is that some users report outdated or inaccurate information, especially in non-disclosure states. Charges per record can add up, unlike some competitors offering unlimited skip tracing, and some find the platform's interface less intuitive compared to newer tools. PropStream is best for investors seeking a one-stop solution for data lead generation and marketing, and those operating in multiple markets across the US, and wholesalers and rehabbers needing comprehensive property insights. While the overview of Privy Pro is that it is a real estate investment platform focusing on MLS data, investor activity tracking, and deal analysis. While key features of Privy Pro is that it direct access to MLS data in over 40 markets, providing real-time property listings. Monitor top-performing investors and agents in your target areas, and evaluate potential deals with built-in calculators and ARV estimations. It analyzes comparable properties to assess market value and potential profitability, and gain insights into market trends and investor behavior to inform investment decisions. Strength of Privy Pro is that it provides up-to-date property listing and market information, and helps identify successful investment strategies by monitoring top investors, and it offers tool for thorough evaluation of potential investments. While the weakness of Privy Pro is that it is currently available in over 40 markets, which may not cover all desired areas. While the weakness of Privy Pro is that it is currently available in over 40 markets, which may not cover all desired areas. Some users report restrictions on exporting data, which can hinder analysis and may be more expensive compared to other platforms with broader market coverage. Privy Pro is best for investors focusing on MLS-listed properties in supported markets, and those interested in tracking investor activity and market trends, and individuals seeking detailed deal analysis and comps evaluation. Choose PropStream if you require a comprehensive platform with data, lead generation, and marketing tools. You operate across multiple states and need nationwide property information, and you prefer an all-in-one solution without integrating multiple tools. Choose Privy Pro if you focus on MLS-listed properties in supported markets, you value real-time MLS data and investors' activity tracking, and you seek detailed deal analysis and comps evaluation. So basically, this is the difference between PropStream versus Privy Pro. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.